In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Odoo password. Losing access to your account can be stressful, but the good news is that resetting your password in Odoo is simple and quick. Let's walk through the process so you can get back in safely. We'll start by going to your Odoo login page. This is the same page where you usually enter your email and password to log in. Make sure you're using the correct login link provided by your organization. Once you're on the login screen, look for the option that says Forgot Password. It's usually right below the login fields. Click on it to begin the reset process. You will now be asked to enter the email address connected to your Odoo account. Type your email carefully because Odoo will send the password reset link to this address. Once the email is entered correctly, select the Submit button. Within a few moments, Odoo will send you an email containing a link to reset your password. Check your inbox, and if you don't see it there, take a moment to look inside your spam or junk folder, since automated emails sometimes end up there. Open the message and select the link that says Change Password. This will bring you back to a secure page on your Odoo site where you can create a new password. Choose something strong and secure, ideally a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. After saving your new password, return to the login page and sign in again using your updated credentials. This confirms that the reset worked successfully. And that's it. You've now reset your Odoo password and regained access to your account. If you ever run into issues with the reset email not arriving, you may need to check your email settings or contact your system administrator for help. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to get back into your Odoo dashboard with confidence.